Number 2, find the values of a and b given that 2 minus j3 is equals to the square root of a plus jb. This is a case of complex numbers, so we are told that 2 minus j3 is equal to the square root of a plus jb, so it is equal complex number. So what we will do, 2 minus j3 being equals to the square root of a plus jb. So the first thing we'll do is to do away with the square root. So to remove the square root, we will have to square both sides. So 2 minus j3 being equals to the square root of a plus jb. So we square both sides. So when you square the right hand side, the square would cancel the square root. Then the left hand side, we will have 2 minus j3 squared. So 2 minus j3 multiplied by itself, 2 minus j3 being equals to a plus jb. So what we need to do on the left is to expand. So we'll take 2 multiply by the second bracket, 2 minus j3, then minus j3 multiply by 2 minus j3. That will be equals to a plus jb. So handling the expansion, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then 2 multiplied by negative j3 is minus j6, because 2 by 3 is 6. Then negative j3 times 2, again 2 by 3 is 6, so we say minus j6. Then negative times negative will be positive. Then j times j will be j squared. Then 3 by 3 will give you 9. That is equals to a plus jb. Then what you need to understand is that here we have minus 6j. It's just like minus 6x minus 6x when you are learning about algebra. So you you add the two numbers, we get 12. But remember, we were having negative, so we'll have negative 12. So we have 4 minus j12, then plus j squared 9. So I need to explain j squared. When we are looking at the introduction to complex numbers, we said j squared is simply -1. Reason being, the square root of -1 is equivalent to j. So if you square j, then you square the left hand side, the square would go with the square root, then j squared is equals to -1. So this particular point we have j squared will replace with -1. So we'll say 4 minus j12 plus -1 multiplied by 9 is equals to a plus jb. So here we'll have 4 minus j12, then -1 times 9 is -9, so here it will be -9, which is equals to a plus jb. Then 4, collecting like terms, 4 minus 9 gives us -5, then minus j12 being equals to a plus jb. So you can equate the terms with j. That means dropping the j, b is equals to -12. So b is equals to -12. Then the terms without j, a and -5, then a is equals to -5. And that is how we work out that question.